SafeMinds AI offers a responsible approach to AI-powered learning for children and teens. With a child-first, parent-guided approach, it aims to prepare families for a rapidly evolving technological landscape. This tool has the potential to change how young minds interact with AI. SafeMinds AI offers triple-layer filtering for complete safety and grade-smart answers, adjusting responses for age appropriateness. The kid-friendly chat provides an intuitive, secure interface. It aims to foster critical thinking, ensuring that children learn without shortcuts or cheating. Real-time alerts and locked chat history ensure parents and teachers have complete oversight. Educators and schools can also benefit greatly from SafeMinds AI. The product could offer schools a comprehensive solution for integrating AI into the classroom. It has the potential to support ethical learning, making it a valuable tool for teachers looking to enhance digital literacy. SafeMinds AI is designed to give parents and teachers peace of mind with a comprehensive dashboard that keeps them connected and in control. The goal is to provide complete control over topics and access, allowing parents to guide their children's AI interactions. Designed with safety and ethics in mind, this product invites kids to discover AI while fostering responsible use. Find out more at SafeMinds.ai.